So, you want to know how many customers Nutmeg has? Good question. It's a number that's been making waves in the financial world, and for good reason. Nutmeg, the digital wealth manager, has gone from being a startup to a major player in a relatively short amount of time. But just how big is this player, really? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, why does the number of customers matter? Well, in the world of finance, it's a pretty big deal. The more customers a platform has, generally, the more trust it inspires. It's like a restaurant. If it's always packed, you're more likely to give it a try. Plus, it often indicates the platform's stability and its ability to withstand market fluctuations. But Nutmeg isn't just about numbers. It's about making investing accessible. It's about taking the complexity out of financial planning and putting control back in the hands of the individual investor. It's about offering a digital platform that's as user-friendly as your favorite app. But let's get back to the numbers. How did Nutmeg go from a small startup to a company with a significant customer base? It's a story of innovation, trust, and a keen understanding of what people want from their investments. They've managed to simplify a process that many find daunting, making it appealing to a wide range of investors. Now, the exact number of Nutmeg customers can fluctuate. Companies aren't always keen on sharing real-time figures, and the financial landscape is constantly changing. But we can look at trends, acquisitions, and industry reports to get a pretty good idea of the scale we're talking about. Insert relevant data, statistics, and expert opinions about Nutmeg's customer base, growth, and market position. One thing is clear, Nutmeg has managed to capture the attention of a significant number of investors. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your financial journey, their platform has something to offer. But remember, numbers aren't everything. It's essential to do your own research and understand your financial goals before making any investment decisions. Nutmeg might be a popular choice, but it might not be the right one for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.